Welcome to today's tutorial. If you're finding the constant notifications from the MLB app distracting, you're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to turn off notifications in the MLB app, ensuring a more peaceful experience while using your device. First, open the MLB app on your smartphone. Next, locate and tap the three-line menu icon at the top right corner. Then scroll down and select Account Settings from the menu options. After that, tap on Notifications to access the notification settings. Finally, toggle off the notifications you no longer wish to receive. This will stop alerts for game updates, news, and other notifications from the MLB app. By following these steps, you can easily manage and disable notifications in the MLB app, allowing for a more tailored app experience. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.